Welcome to San Fernando Hill, a place steeped in history and natural beauty. For centuries, this landmark has served as a sacred site, a scenic viewpoint, and a recreational area for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Join us on a 360 virtual tour as we explore the rich heritage of this fascinating place. Take a moment to soak in this incredible view. On a clear day, you can see all the way to Venezuela in the distance. The bustling metropolis of San Fernando has grown up around the base of the hill, creating a unique blend of urban life and natural beauty. As you explore this 360 virtual experience, keep an eye out for the lush vegetation that has reclaimed much of the hill after a period of quarrying in the 1970s. Reforestation efforts are also underway to restore the hill's natural beauty. Historical records show that the original height of the hill was nearly double what it is today due to quarrying. Thankfully, public outcry led to the closure of the quarries and the designation of the hill as a national park in 1980. San Fernando Hill holds a deep significance for the indigenous people of Trinidad and Tobago. For centuries, this place was called Anaparima, which means single hill. According to their legends, it was a sacred place of pilgrimage, believed to be the home of a supreme spirit and a heroic ancestor. Today, San Fernando Hill is a place for relaxation and rejuvenation. Visitors can enjoy a picnic lunch, hike the nature trails, or simply admire the breathtaking views. To celebrate the three main religions of the island, the hill comes alive with the festive glow of a moon and star, a deer, and Star of David, beacons of hope and tradition for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you for joining us on this 360 virtual exploration of San Fernando Hill. We hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for its rich history, stunning views, and ongoing role as a place of natural beauty and cultural significance.